What's up? Welcome to my channel, TikTok, whatever. My name is Caela, and today we are going to be learning Easter signs. So the first one is Easter, and it's two E's up near your face and shoulder area. It's not down here, it's more up here, and location and placement is really important in sign language, so make sure it's up here. The second sign is eggs. 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 The third sign is basket. 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 You can make it as large as you want or as small as you want. And then the last and fourth and final sign is search. Search. So you make a C and you start at the middle of your face and you search around. Search.